Hey guys, it's Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine, and today I'm going to be talking about the perfect garden shoe, and you're not going to believe it. Coming up. So a lot of people ask me, Mike, what is the perfect garden shoe? Do you wear tennis shoes? Do you wear boots? You're not going to believe actually what I wear. Those are water shoes. A lot of times I'm in a field and it's raining and it's mudding, and I've noticed that over the years your tennis shoes just end up falling apart. Boots are really cool, but boots are kind of heavy on the feet, and a lot of times you're not working in mud. So what I've come up with was these really inexpensive water shoes. And I love them because they're breathable, the sole is durable, okay? But the most important thing is they're really cheap. And at the end of the season, what do? Just toss them away and buy a new pair. So that's the video for today. Gardening and water shoes. Try it, let me know what you think. I'm Mike with Ophelia's Blue Vine.